Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore villa area in Seminyak and shopping area in Seminyak. And also we will explore how the situation at the moment in Drupadi Street and Camplung Tanduk Street. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Seminyak area on 7 December 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on villa area and shopping area in Seminyak. And also at the end of this video, I will show you how the situation at the moment in Draupadi Street and Camplung Tanduk Street. Okay guys, we start our journey today from Lebak Sari Street. In this area there is a lot of villa. You can see right side, there is some villa, also in left side there is some villa. And in this area there is not so many souvenir shop, but there is some restaurant in this area. So that's why usually in this area there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. They just go by the car or motorbike to go to villa and restaurant. This location we call Bravant Village, so that's why it's not in the main street. So that's why the route looks so small and very narrow. But in this area it's very famous because there is a lot of villa in this area. You see at the front, there is the air villa. Also look very quiet in this area, isn't it? Because usually who stay in this area is international tourism. And as we know together, the international tourism still not coming yet to Bali. So that's why in this area look like a ghost town. It's very quiet, isn't it? But I'm really happy because at the front some villa there is some car parking at the front of the villa. You see right side? Yeah, there is some car parking at the front of the villa. That's really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. If I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Denpasar or Sanur and Nusa Dua. But I keep driving up straight down because we will explore Seminyak area, the central of shopping area in Seminyak. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is a tourist walk around on the sidewalk. I'm really happy to see that. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Pangkung Sari Street, the villa area in Seminyak. And also if you don't mind, please subscribe my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog. On Bali Travel Vlog, daily upload in afternoon 5 p.m. You can find the link this channel on this description. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in villa area in Seminyak. So what do you think? It's still very quiet, isn't it? Okay, now we will continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. We will explore how the situation at the moment in shopping area in Seminyak. In left side there is Sisterfield restaurant and some people there they have got to restaurant. And in the right side there is Seminyak Village Mall, the biggest mall in this area, and some people there walk around on the sidewalk. And in the right side there is Seminyak Square. So that's why this is the central of shopping area in Seminyak, and this area is busy. That's really good. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kayu Aya Street. You see this area? It's quite busy, isn't it? There is a lot of motorbike parking, and there is a lot of car and motorbike drive around on the road. And actually, I see some tourists, they walk around on the sidewalk. It looks so busy. That's really good. Yeah, there is some people walk around on the sidewalk, right side. And also there is a lot of car parking just beside the street. It looks busy in this area, isn't it? Actually, I'm gonna say this station still very quiet, but it's much better than 2 months ago when the Bali in lockdown. Another tourist walk around on the sidewalk left side. That's really good. Lava Villa nightclub right side, always busy in the night time. And on the left side there's a red carpet. And in this area there is a lot of shops starting open. Yeah, there is a lot of tourists driving by motorbike. That's really good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kayu Aya Street. And now we will turn right to explore Drupadi Street. Yeah, now we are in Drupadi Street. Drupadi Street also very famous because in this area there is a lot of villa. But in this area there is not so many art shop. So that's why even before the pandemic corona in this area on the sidewalk is not so busy. But usually the car is like a traffic jam in this area. Yeah, but today it looks so very quiet, isn't it? You see right side? Yeah, there is a villa. And look quite busy here. There is a lot of car parking. The famous spa right side also look quiet. Usually before the pandemic there is a lot of car parking there, they go to the spa. But today that's empty. And also this area look very quiet, isn't it? There is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. See big building right side, there is the Harris Hotel. So we will see together how busy this hotel today. This is the lobby at the front right side. Yeah, there is some people there. There's local people. That's good. But so far in this area we can see together, this area look quiet, isn't it? The Jili Hotel right side. Oh yeah, there is some car parking there. That's really good. It is still look quiet, isn't it? I hope you are ever been stay this area. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Drupadi Street. If I turn right at the front, that is the way to go to Seminyak Beach. Just around 400 meters is Seminyak Beach. But I will turn left because we will explore how the station at the moment in Camplung Tanduk Street. At the front left side, there is Courtyard by Marriott Hotel. In this area, since the pandemic, there is a lot of shops still closed until now. There is not so many shops are open in this area. So that's why this area look very quiet, isn't it? And also, Camplung Tanduk Street is very famous because there is a lot of shop, hotel, and also on the street we have gay bar. Always busy in the night time with the gay bar. Yeah, see right side? This is Bali Jo, the gay bar in Bali. And always busy in the night time. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Camplung Tanduk Street. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.